There are two things that people will tell you if you're thinking about sewing. Some people tell you, oh, sewing's easy. Anybody can do it. It's a breeze. Don't believe them. It's not a breeze. It's hard work to learn how to do this. I'm not going to kid you. I'm going to tell you the truth. But it's worth it. And you can learn to do it. And it's worth your effort. All right. So that's number one. The other thing they're going to tell you is, oh, it's not worth your time to sew. It costs so much money for fabrics. Don't believe that one either. All right. So where do I get my fabrics? Are you ready? Okay. There's all kinds of sneaky ways to find fabric and not to pay much money for it either. All right. This blouse was made from fabric, still have some more of it to cut, that I found in a bin outside a store on 4th Street in Philadelphia. $1 a yard. Obviously, they wanted to get rid of it. Granted, it's junk. It's synthetic. It's chiffon. Most people can't work with it. They don't know what to do with it. I laid it tracing paper on the table, then laid it out on top, laid tracing paper over top of my grid, laid this on top of that, and moved it around back and forth. Laid the patterns on top, with pins in, and very carefully cut it out. And guess what? This is what I've got. And everybody says what a beautiful, beautiful blouse this is. And quite frankly, it was a lot of work, but it was worth it. All right. So that was number one. How much did this blouse, the fabric in this blouse, actually cost me? We've got lining, we've got the shell. Okay, so let's say it's 3 yards. Okay, this fabric cost me $3. All right, and this probably cost me maybe $6. 6, 3, that's $9. I've got some snaps on here. Let's add a couple more dollars, 10, 11. This blouse cost me about $12 to make. All right, could I buy this blouse for $12? Could I buy any blouse for $12? No. All right, I've still got some more fabric. What I'm going to do with this is make a skirt to go with this. All right, now, granted, this is the fabric that I bought to make my suit here, and this cost me some money. Sometimes you have to spend it, but it's perfect for what I want. All right, this fabric, which I bought at a fabric sale out in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, and I went out to the extension office's fabric sale, which they have every fall. This fabric, from which I'm planning to make a Chanel suit, cost me $13.50. Look how much there is. I'm planning to make a Chanel jacket out of this if I can ever find the time to do it. Obviously, there's enough here for the jacket, the skirt, probably slacks. I've already got a hot pink blouse, which will look good with it. And here you can see the right side of the fabric. Look how beautiful this is. Talk about a find. Somebody bought this, probably paid a fortune, then stopped sewing for whatever reason. Maybe they got too old to do it. Maybe they passed away, whatever. But it wound up at the fabric sale out at Creamery at the Extension Service annual fall sale. And that's where I also bought the fabric to buy the linen that I made shirts for my son and husband for Christmas. And those shirts cost me $9 for the fabric for each shirt. So each shirt cost me $9. Now, of course, there was thread, so you might add another dollar on that. So maybe $10. The buttons I already had. I had taken them off of fabrics. I'd taken them off of shirts that we had discarded, and I saved the buttons. Always save buttons when you discard clothing. Always save the zippers. Save you a lot of money. It takes a few minutes to take them out, to cut them away, but you can do it while you're watching TV at night, so it really doesn't waste any time. So the point here is that you can make beautiful, beautiful clothing if you watch where you shop. And another place, a friend of mine said she had a lot of fabric she wanted to get rid of. I said, I'll take it down to the university. They have a fashion program there. They'll like to have the fabric. Turns out they had already had a big donation. They didn't need the fabric. Okay, so where else? Are you ready? Goodwill. They take fabric. That means they got fabric for sale. And also, once people learn that you are sewing, they will say, would you like to have some fabric? Take it. Here's some of the fabric that I decided to take and keep because my friend didn't need it anymore. There's brown fabric here. This would make my husband or my son a nice shirt. There's enough to do that when I look at this. Okay. This fabric would make me a really gorgeous suit. This is a very good color for me, this dark navy. As a matter of fact, look. See how well that looks together? This could be slacks, and this the jacket. Perfect. Couldn't be better. This is going to make me a beautiful white shirt. Look at the stripes in it. I look good in silver, as I think you can see, and white. I'm a winter, and my second best season is summer, which is why these colors. And look at this. Isn't this nice? I washed it recently. There's a little flaw there, so I put a separate pin in, safety pin in so I could find it. And this, of course, there's more than enough fabric to make a really beautiful man's shirt from this. And all this, didn't pay a penny for it. And that's the story. That's the secret. You can make beautiful, gorgeous clothing. You can dress your family in clothes none of you could ever afford to buy at a fraction of the cost that ready-made, cheap clothes would cost you. And bye for now, and I'll be seeing you soon.